right, friends, let's make our birthday cake pop-up card. We're gonna do this in fast forward because you don't literally need to watch glue dry. We're gonna fold all the tabs over on the foundation cake piece and then fold the score lines as well. Our first glue point is going to be the side of the top. So we're gonna put our glue right here along the top side, fold the side over, make sure they meet, press it down firm flat so it folds, so you want it to line up perfectly so when your card is closed, it will line up. Now we're going to attach the back. Make sure that the arc on the back of the cake piece is facing the top of the cake slice. This reduces the friction and allows for better opening and closing of the card. That's an important piece. Give it a firm press. Give it some time to dry, depending on what type of glue you're using here. Once the cake foundation has dried and it's sturdy, we're going to do a couple practice rounds lining it up. You want the fold of the card to be in alignment with the spine so it closes nice and flat and you don't have any bumps in your card. Glue only one tab, only one, that's important. Make sure everything's lined up. Scoot your finger underneath and press firmly and wiggle that cake slice over flat. Fold your card. Now add glue to the second tab, fold your card on top of it, and then press. I'm going to put a heavy book on mine and give it time to dry because I am using Elmer's Glue All and it needs a moment to get that bond set. It just depends on what type of glue or adhesive you're using for your card. While it's drying, I let that book sit for a minute and I'm going to add the exterior decoration for the front of the card. Make sure that you've saved the interiors of the letters when you cut it out on your machine. I'm using a grease pencil pickup tool to add my interior letters. It just makes life a little easier. I'm sure you have a tool that works great for your project. And then once that is done and the glue for the cake slice has set a little bit, now we can decorate it. We're going to add the top layer of icing. Unfortunately, I put the glue on off screen, but I just added a little glue. Same glue I've been using for the whole card. And now taking that same glue, I'm going to add the colorful layers. I like to work bottom to top. You work whatever way works for you. And then the very last step for the icing layers is the cake icing that goes along the top edges and the back edge. You want to make sure that goes on top of the color layers to give it that professional look where that exterior icing still looks like it's on top. And last but not least, the fun part is the sprinkles. You got a lot of sprinkles that came with your file. I am not using every single sprinkle, as you can see here as I'm decorating. You add what works for you. You don't hear it. There is no law for how many sprinkles a cake slice requires, so decorate to your heart's content. Enjoy your birthday cake pop-up card. And here is what it looks like in slow motion, what your recipient will see.